अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, मैं हूं इकराम 7H न्यूज़ में आपका खैर मकदम है। डीजीपी महेंद्र रेड्डी ने आज नेकलेस रोड पर फ्रीडम 10K रन को हरी झंडी दिखाते हुए इसका आगाज़ किया। क्रिकेट, फिल्मी दुनिया और दीगर सेलिब्रिटीज़ ने इसमें हिस्सा लिया और दौड़ लगाई।
అన్నిటిని ఒక మెసేజ్ ఇవ్వడానికి ఈరోజు యువతి యువకులంతా దీంట్లో రన్ చేయడము.
This is the 15th year that they're conducting this 10K marathon, and with each year there are increasing number of participants, and I feel really proud that I came here and I've come to witness this, and there's a lot of enthusiasm in all the people, and I feel proud that our Hyderabad is growing and our Hyderabad is so health conscious. And even I've got inspired that hopefully by next year I should be able to build that stamina for a 10K run, and I should be here to participate with all of you on the 16th year of the 10K run.
दोस्तों, अगर आपको हमारी न्यूज़ पसंद आ रही है तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। 7H न्यूज़, आपकी आवाज़।